Good morning guys, and back with the standard picture of the Evo outside the front of the house. And today we are changing wheels, and yeah, there was a bit of a debate on my Instagram about what we're going to be doing, what we're going to be having. It is bloody freezing as well, so basically I ordered some ZR10s, work wheel ZR10s, to basically replace the work Kiwamis on here. And I originally ordered them in black. The problem was that two of them went missing, so to wait for the other two I'd had to have waited all the way for them to come from Japan. And I actually have seen it as a bit of a godsend, because I then stood back from the car and thought, black rims, black tyre, kind of a darkish purpley colour. I thought it kind of, the black gets a bit washed out. So I asked people on Instagram, and I asked people I know, what should we go for? Should we go for black again? Should we go for copper? What colour? Bronze? Should we go for other colours? And in the end we went for neither, guys. We've gone for something totally different, and these are the ZR10s that we went for. Yes, we have gone for white ZR10s to go on, and they've even got the work emotion purple stripe that we basically got sent and put on there as well. So these are what we're going to be putting on the Evo today. So we're going to get everything set up, get the front jacked up first, and crack on with the job. And yeah, let's see how they look. Two off, and I thought I'd give you a sneak peek of what it currently looks like. And yeah, we've done one side. It looks amazing. We couldn't actually get under the front to jack it up and do the fronts and the backs. We had to do the left and the right, because the my Evo's got like the plastic under tray, so we can't really find where the jacking point is, and we don't obviously get it wrong. So we just went in on the side, and it's not a bad thing actually, because it means we can literally check how the side looks, and it looks sick. How good does that look? And the sun's coming through, which is making it gleam as well and glisten, but that looks amazing. And actually something we found out with this, which we didn't know, was that the car, I didn't know this, the car's actually got spacers. So it's actually pushed the wheel out actually for me, and the original wheel like bolts have actually been shredded back. So obviously we're using the spacer one. So I didn't originally want to run with spacers, but because the spacers, I can't take them off today and use the original bolts because they're too short, that it'd be dangerous to put the wheels on. We're leaving the spacers on, and actually for me, I really like the look with the spacers. It actually makes the wheel like stick out slightly. Obviously you can't see it as much there, but if you ever come and see me at a show, or if we're ever meet at a show and the car's there, you'll see, yes, my bonnet is open before anyone says anything, just in case. But yeah, so far so good. I think it looks absolutely amazing. Makes it pop. Like, let me go to the other side and show you the black ones that are still on there. There's the original black, for the people who said let's keep black alloys. And obviously if we go around the other side, there's the white ones. Currently we've got two on. We're going to crack on and do the other two, and then we'll check in. But I just think it looks, I think it looks sick. I am so chuffed, it's mad. Like, this is amazing. I didn't think it'd look this good, and I was really skeptical, because I know people say white looks really trashy and this, that and the other, but like, bro, dude, whatever, that looks absolutely amazing. So there's the white, there's the comparison with the black. Can't even see it, but yeah, we're going to get those two white ones back on the other side, and then we'll catch up with you when it's done, because I've also got something else to show you today as well, which I actually got finished up a couple of weeks ago. And just like that, guys, we are all done. Now obviously the bonnet's up because I want to show you something, but all done, torque wrenched, tightened up, and for me, I think it looks amazing. I think these look absolutely amazing. I don't know about you, but yeah, I think they make the car just look so much better. So yeah, I've got the bonnet open as well, because I wanted to show you that we finally got this on, the Tomei, the Tomei heat shield. So we've got a few more bits to do. So we've obviously, like I said, we've now got the heat shield on, perfect. We've got new hoses to replace this, and the lower one have arrived, so I've got to get those done. I've got some degreaser because we want to clean all this piping up. This battery, to me, I just don't like it. I think it needs to go. But yeah, we are gonna be, we're done for today, but I just wanted to show you the heat shield done, and obviously the fact that the alloys are on. So if anyone's wondering, these are work wheel ZR10s. They are 18 by 8.5s with a 32 offset, whereas these ones before are 18 by 8.5s, and these are a 47 offset, I believe. The sticker should be in there somewhere. Yeah, where are we? Yeah, 18 by 8.5 and a 47 offset. Don't know if you can see that in there, but yeah. So basically these are actually now up for sale. If anyone's interested, actually, they're a 114.3 by 5 stud pattern, and they're Works Emotions Kiwami wheels, and they've been replaced by these. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Obviously it's pretty much just me showing you them coming off, obviously, and then obviously now that they're on, and obviously showing you that heat shield. So hopefully you've liked it. As always, drop me a comment, like, please subscribe to the channel, it supports the channel, share it to your friends and family, and yeah, let me know what you think to the new wheels. But until next time, guys, peace out.